What is going on, everybody? Today we have a new fixed blade in, and it is from T.Kell knives. Very cool and interesting way to ship a knife in this cool, very plasticky container. Very interesting. Okay, it's kind of like what the pens come in. So, let's see what we have here. So, we got the knife. Got a business card. Okay, so we have nice horizontal clip and I also got the vertical clip that is custom made to fit this knife too, so it'll fit right in there, right along with it, so right and nice in line and everything else. So very, very cool. As you can tell, he has it branded, this piece here, to work with everything, so that's very, very cool. We got a taco design, so that's good for the edge down. Very, very nicely made case. Not too cheap, fairly thick, and very nice, very nice. Okay. It's got some good retention. So here we go. I did choose to get the black micarta scales, and with his pattern and the way he patterns the scales is very interesting too, to help you get that extra traction on there too. So very, very nice. A little bit of dirt on the blade there. So we have a 1095 high carbon steel, and it has a nickel boron clad finish on it, and that is to give it a little bit of a slickness when you're cutting through things. Plus I think it's to help with corrosion and stuff like that too. So very interesting. I like the blade design. You've got this false edge up top, kind of a swedge kind of aspect up there. Very cool, nice American Tanto. Ooh, yeah. It's very, very sharp. He's got a nice leaned back edge on there. So very, very nice, very sharp. Would like to see a little bit of a choil there, but other than that, feels really good in hand. The nice finger well there keeps you really locked in to prevent you from going up on the blade. We have some pretty good thick blade stock there too. The overall length of this knife is 7 3/4, so it's a very nice EDC size to carry, no matter which way you're carrying it, horizontal or vertical. But feels really good in hand. He does design his handles so that your pinky kind of wraps around like that, so it prevents the knife from anyone from being able to grab the knife, and plus it kind of gives you a pressure where when you're stabbing into something, it kind of prevents the knife from moving in your hand, as well as the finger groove too. So, and this machining that he does on these grips is very nice too, because you can feel your fingers really getting into it. And like I said, nice thick blade stock on there. And let's just quick little double check. Yeah, yep, exactly. It's on size. So let's give a measurement overall with the holster. So yeah, about 8 1/4 inches overall with the holster. So very, very nice. Yeah, feels really good in the hand. Same with here. When you come over, that point's a little on the sharp side for getting your thumb over there. It's like right in there, right into your knuckle there. But I mean, how often are you really going to use a knife like that? Let's be serious. I mean, when you draw it out of your holster, you're pretty much going to be using it like this anyway. You can remove this bolt here if you prefer a lanyard. You can remove that bolt there for a lanyard. You don't necessarily need all 3 bolts, I'm sure, because 2 bolts are definitely going to keep that handle locked in there anyhow. So very, very cool. I look forward to checking it out more, using it, and seeing how it carries. Hard holsters, you know, they can be kind of a bit of a challenge. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the Tanto by T.Kell knives. Go check them out if you guys are interested, and I'll put a link in the description down below so you guys can check them out. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you next time.